Instead of getting scared about artificial intelligence, I believe we should be optimistic about it and be responsible. In this video, I'm going to discuss few of the key points which would enable you to be more optimistic and hopeful about the upcoming era of artificial intelligence. While many of the cloud providers, including Google, Microsoft, AWS, who are at the forefront of artificial intelligence and Gen AI, they are optimistic about the potential of AI. They also recognize that advanced technologies can raise important challenges that must be addressed clearly, thoughtfully, and affirmatively. So that is why on your screen you can see few of the principles which describe the commitment of an individual like yourself or the cloud provider to follow, to use and develop this technology responsibly and work to establish specific application areas they will not pursue. As long as you and the companies pursue this principle, you should be fine. First and foremost, whatever applications you build should be socially beneficial, which means that the expanded reach of new technologies increasingly touches society as a whole. Advances in AI will have transformative impacts in a wide range of fields, including healthcare, security, energy, transportation, manufacturing, and entertainment. As we consider potential development and uses of AI tech, we will take into account a broad range of social and economic factors and will proceed where you or the organization believe that the overall likely benefits sustainably exceed the foreseeable risks and downsides. Artificial intelligence also enhances your ability to understand the meaning of content at scale. So you need to strive to make high quality and accurate information readily available using AI while continuing to respect cultural, social, and legal norms in the countries where you operate. Second thing to keep in perspective while building with AI is to make sure that AI algorithms and data sets can reflect, reinforce, reduce unfair biases. You should recognize that distinguishing fair from unfair biases is not always simple and differs across cultures and societies. So you should seek to avoid unjust impacts on people, particularly those related to sensitive characteristics such as race, ethnicity, gender, nationality, income, sexual orientation, ability, and political or religious belief. Then it's all about safety. Make sure that you continue to develop and apply strong safety and security practices to avoid unintended results that create risks or harm. You should design your AI systems to be appropriately cautious and seek to develop them in accordance with best practices in AI safety research. Then you should be accountable to your audience. You must design AI systems that provide appropriate opportunities for feedback, relevant explanation, and appeal. Your AI technology should always be subjected to appropriate human direction and control. You should also incorporate privacy principles in the development and use of AI tech. You should give opportunity for notice and consent, encourage architectures with privacy safeguards, and provide appropriate transparency and control over the use of data. Technological innovation is rooted in the scientific method and a commitment to open inquiry, intellectual rigor, integrity, and collaboration. AI tools have the potential to unlock new realms of scientific research and knowledge in critical domains like biology, chemistry, medicine, and environmental sciences. You must aspire to high standards of scientific excellence as you work to progress AI development. Last but not least, many technologies have multiple uses, so you should work to limit potentially harmful or abusive application. And as you develop and deploy AI technologies, you should keep track of a lot of factors including primary purpose and use, nature and uniqueness, scale, whether the application would have impact or not, and then nature of your involvement. So as long as you pursue these things, you should be fine. And these principles or guidelines should be the pillars of any AI development which you are going to pursue in the future. I hope that this was useful, and as long as you are following these guidelines, you should be fine, your job should be fine, and the progress will be in the right direction. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.